Hello kids and welcome back. This is our first video about our planet, Earth. Today we are going to talk about the weather. Do you know that the weather is different in different parts of our planet? What's the weather like in Spain? Usually it is warm or hot, and it's sunny. Now let's revise together some vocabulary. I am going to show you pictures on the screen, and I want you to rearrange the letters in order to make the correct word. Take a look at these letters here. What's the word? Maybe the picture can help you. The word is cold. What's the weather like? It's foggy. What about this picture? What's the weather like? It's windy. What's the weather like? It's sunny. Okay, now let's talk about different things we can do with different weather. What can we do when it's sunny outside? For example, we could go to the beach. We can sunbathe and we can swim in the sea. What can we do when the weather is windy? We can fly a kite when it's windy outside. And what about foggy weather? Do you remember foggy? Look, foggy was this one, right? Foggy. So what can we do when it's foggy? We can stay home and read a book. And finally, what can we do when it's cold outside? Cold. We can go ice skating or snowboarding or skiing. I personally like sunny weather. I like sunny weather because I can go for a walk and because I can swim in the sea. What about you? What weather do you like? Okay, now it's time to listen to the weather song. See you next time. Bye bye.